Now, Terra Luna Classic volatility has been all over the place recently, and it's due to a lot of the proposals, a lot of the changes that are taking place on the Terra Luna Classic blockchain. But everybody always wants to know some Terra Luna Classic price predictions, and that's exactly what we're going to be talking about in this video, because we've got some articles out there, and I love these articles, about machine learning, or AI, predicting prices of cryptocurrencies based on a variety of factors, including moving averages and so on. We'll discuss that a little bit more in this video. But basically what they do is they take the previous price action and make a prediction of where the price is going to be based on that historical action. So we're going to discuss it for Terra Luna Classic and tell you where Terra Luna Classic is expected to be on December 31st, 2022. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and a $1 crypto trade is going to get you $5 in free crypto. Now, if you guys want a crypto exclusive exchange where you can buy, sell, trade, short, use leverage, and so on, you've got KuCoin and Binance down there. KuCoin and Binance both offer rewards for the more active traders, so the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But like with any centralized exchange right now, we know it is a risk holding on those centralized exchanges with all of the fallout from FTX and everything kind of being intermingled together in there. So just be careful that you're only willing to hold on there, what you're willing to essentially loan to those exchanges, because we know they consider them loans. So, guys, this is a very interesting article I came across today. Machine learning algorithm sets Terra Luna Classic price for December 31st, 2020. And I do love these types of articles, but I will preface this by saying this machine is not necessarily a bull on Terra Luna Classic. The price prediction is a little bit lower from where we're currently at. So let's discuss. Terra Luna Classic, LUNC, continues to be among the most trending crypto assets despite the collapse of Terraform Labs and the original chain, the collapsed Terra Luna ecosystem. Now, on December 2nd alone, traders poured over $100 million into LUNC's market cap, gaining 12% in 24 hours. Despite retracing somewhat to from 0.000182 to 0.000172 at the time of publication, it is up 1.38% over the last 24 hours. Investors and traders alike remain interested in the digital asset and where it could potentially trade come to the end of the month here. So this is what we're talking about. Now, in particular, this machine learning-based algorithm at price predictions factors in indicators like moving averages, relative strength index, moving average convergence and divergence, the MACD, Bollinger Bands, and more. It predicts that LUNC's value, drumroll please, will be 0.000158. So it's going to move down to 1,500 or 15.800 points per coin, and that is a decline from where we currently are. At the time of publication of this article, it represents an 8.1% decrease in price. Now, like we say, guys, this is just taking some of the more recent price trends and extending them further, and we know that since September, Terra Luna Classic has been coming off of those recent highs, 660,000 points per coin down to 15,800 points per coin, is a decent drop, and all that machine learning is doing is taking the most recent price action and extending it out. But if you guys want some optimistic price predictions, go on over to CoinMarketCap, okay? It's worth mentioning, though, that the prediction of the machine learning software algorithm is significantly lower than that set by the crypto community members over at CoinMarketCap. So crypto community members are very optimistic about Terra Luna Classic. We know that it's one of the most supported cryptocurrencies during this bear market, and the community surrounding Terra Luna Classic is wildly optimistic about Terra Luna Classic's price action. So the median price prediction for the end of the year based on CoinMarketCap's crypto community is 25,800 points per coin. So we would be drastically higher, roughly 70% increase from where we are right now if the CoinMarketCap price prediction comes to be. So let's just briefly discuss the two differences here, because these are a wide range of predictions for Terra Luna Classic's price, and then why I don't know if we're going to see too much of a difference. The 8% spike down to honestly an 8% spike up by the end of the year could absolutely be realistic. But if you're looking at the machine learning software, it's not going to take into consideration any of the proposals. It's not going to take into consideration any of the announcements by Binance and Burns or any exchanges that may or may not be listing Terra Luna Classic. It will take into effect none of the fundamental or blockchain shifts that can happen between now and the end of the year. And we know a lot can happen by then. I mean, think about it. We're already on par to raising that burn skim from 10% to 50%. The machine learning software isn't taking that into consideration. Opening up IBCs, machine learning software isn't taking that into consideration. It is 100% technical analysis based on historical performance. So if you believe in that, great. You know, we've got a 10%, 8% decline that's ahead of us here, and you could use that opportunity to your benefit. If you believe in the cryptocurrency community that supports Terra Luna Classic, then they are obviously optimistic and believe that we could see another 70% increase from where we are right now. And I will say this, there are clearly faults in those types of price predictions as well, because anybody voting is part of the Terra Luna Classic community. Anybody voting there is going to be skewed by their own desires, and they want Terra Luna Classic to move higher. Therefore, the predictions will be for Terra Luna Classic to move higher. It's an extreme bias when you poll community members like that. So you have to use some form of, I guess, coalition between the two, the technical analysis, the optimism, and so on. Because it's obvious that people are willing to buy Terra Luna Classic when you can see a $100 million increase in the value of the blockchain in a very short period of 24 hours, like we have seen time and time again in Terra Luna Classic. It's obvious that people are willing to put their money where their mouth is and make those purchases. But we absolutely need to take into consideration all of the proposals that change the blockchain as well. And if we've learned anything about Terra Luna Classic over the last couple of months, it's that these drastic changes can happen at the turn of a hat. I mean, you could literally wake up tomorrow and there could be a new proposal out there gaining traction that says, let's drop all burns altogether. Let's add a 5% tax on that goes directly to the developer's wallet. I mean, and people would be voting for that because they believe we need to fund developers. There could be another proposal that says, well, let's forget about the community pool altogether and let's just burn it. And then the other extreme side may say, that's a great idea. More burns, the better. Let's burn all of our current funds. So there is a lot going on in the Terra Luna Classic community that can really affect the price, other than just looking at technical analysis extended out. So honestly, I do believe that we could trade in some sort of a 10% range to the downside or the upside by the end of the year. But if we've learned anything in the cryptocurrency space, it is that price predictions are impossible. We could absolutely see any action take place, upside, downside. We could get blindsided by some news that just destroys another exchange. And we could see another fallout. So I want to know what you guys think. Down in the comments below, let me know your thoughts on price predictions for Terra Luna Classic and where you expect it to be. The machine told us what it expects, so I want to know what you guys expect. Where's Terra Luna Classic going to end the year at midnight on December 31st, 2022? Let us know down there, and of course with that button right there still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro 883 everywhere. You're getting 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.